Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip on I-95 South, beginning as we head out of the city of New Haven, Connecticut at mile 46. We enter the city of West Haven with a population of 55,584 as of the 2020 census. Known as Connecticut's youngest city, West Haven split from the nearby town of Orange in 1921 to become a separate town, and then incorporated as a city in 1961. West Haven was historically a hub for shipping and industry. It was known for its buckle manufacturing shops and later home to notable companies like Armstrong Rubber Company and Coleco. Originally the Connecticut Leather Company, Coleco eventually shifted focus to producing toys and video games, including the ColecoVision gaming console, which was the first major competitor and later clone of the Atari 2600. Sikorsky Aircraft, a division of United Technologies, also operated in West Haven, contributing to its industrial prominence. Bayer Pharmaceuticals North America operated a large plant in West Haven but closed it in 2006, affecting around 1,000 workers. The 137-acre campus, spanning 17 buildings in West Haven and Orange, was purchased by Yale University in 2007 for biotechnology, pharmaceutical, and life sciences research. We briefly passed through the town limits of Orange, home to the North American headquarters of Pez Candies. Fieldview Farm, established in 1639, is one of the oldest businesses in the United States. It has been continuously operated by the Hine family since its founding. Orange had a population of 14,280 as of the 2020 census. We enter the city of Milford, which had a population of 50,558 as of the 2020 census. Every year on the third Saturday in August, Milford hosts its annual Oyster Festival, blending a traditional town fair with a celebration of its shellfish-rich location on Long Island Sound. The festival, centered around the Milford Green and downtown areas, features events like canoe and kayak races, musical performances, and classic car shows. Over the years, it has attracted notable musical acts, including Joan Jett, the Marshall Tucker Band, John Cafferty and the Beaver Brown Band, and Soul Asylum. Notably, the lobster roll, a festival favorite, is said to have originated as a hot dish at Perry's Restaurant in 1929, according to the Encyclopedia of American Food and Drink. As we approach the Housatonic River, note the power line structures to the right. These high-tension cables carry 115 kilovolts and are mounted atop an adjacent railroad bridge. We cross the river on the second incarnation of the Moses Wheeler Bridge. The original bridge, built between 1955 and 1958, featured three 12-foot wide travel lanes in each direction, but lacked shoulders. Concerns about the bridge's stability arose after a similar structure collapsed in 1983, prompting plans for a replacement to begin in 1996. Construction of the new bridge started in 2009, and it was completed and opened in 2016. The updated bridge maintains 3 lanes in each direction, but includes extra wide shoulders. These shoulders provide space for a potential future expansion to 4 lanes in each direction, while retaining both left and right shoulders for safety. We've now entered the town of Stratford, originally founded by Igor Sikorsky, who developed the first successful American helicopter. Since 1957, every Marine One helicopter used by the President of the United States has been manufactured in Stratford. We enter the city of Bridgeport, the most populous city in Connecticut with a population of 148,654 as of the 2020 census. Bridgeport has evolved from its industrial past into a center for healthcare, education, and cultural development. While it retains remnants of its manufacturing history, modern Bridgeport focuses on revitalization, including new housing, arts, and entertainment projects. The city is home to institutions like the University of Bridgeport, and attractions such as the Barnum Museum, Beardsley Zoo, and Seaside Park, designed by Frederick Law Olmsted. Efforts to transform the downtown area and waterfront are ongoing, aiming to strengthen its economy and community appeal. Here we cross the crescent-shaped P.T. Barnum Bridge over the Pequannock River. We conclude today's video at mile 28. Thanks for watching. We'd like to give special thanks to our newest front seat member, Clark Olson, and backseat channel members Roadway Wiz, Moonshine Wilson, Anthony Kennerson, and T-Flow601. You too can help support our channel for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Or it doesn't cost you anything at all to give us a thumbs up, share on social media, subscribe, leave a comment below, and join us for our next 504 road trip.